In this video, I'm going to be discussing the Great Discoveries Affiliate AI Pack, everything that's included with it, the checkout process, and all the different bonuses that you become eligible for when you decide to purchase it. If you're ready to get started, go ahead and click Join Now in the top right-hand corner. Join Now. On this screen, you'll see two types of packs that affiliates can purchase. One is the Affiliate AI Pack, and the other is the Affiliate Success Pack. For the purposes of this video, we will just be discussing the Affiliate AI Pack. The Affiliate AI Pack is a $99 startup fee with a $59 monthly subscription, which you can cancel at any time. The Affiliate AI Pack includes a Genius Club subscription, multiple trainings for affiliates, and your affiliate enrollment for your entire first year. You also become eligible for the Refer 3 and its free subscription, the 3 bait bonus upwards to $99, the 3 Pete bonus upwards to $250, and you are eligible for global network pay. I'm now going to detail the different types of bonuses that you are eligible for when you do purchase the AI Affiliate Pack. All the pricing in this scenario will be for the American market. So if you're in a different country, the pricing and bonuses may be different in your location. So in this scenario, somebody in America purchases an Affiliate AI Pack for $99 with a $59 monthly fee. Then let's say that affiliate sells an Affiliate AI Pack to another person with their affiliate link. They will receive a lifetime 10% direct affiliate sales commission on that purchase and every other future purchase from that new affiliate. If they then refer 2 more people into the Affiliate AI Pack with their unique affiliate link, they will then earn a lifetime 10% direct affiliate sales commission on that purchase and every future purchase from those 2 affiliates. This will then activate the Refer 3 and its free bonus, meaning that your monthly fee drops to $0 a month when you refer 3 paid members into the AI Affiliate Pack and they maintain their $59 a month membership. You will also earn something called the 3 bait bonus, meaning you will earn a bonus of $99, the price of the AI Affiliate Pack. So not only have you gotten all your money back, you've actually made money through the direct affiliate sales commissions. So simply by referring 3 people into the same pack, you've gotten all of your money back. When you do this, you will also move up in rank to become what is called a qualified affiliate. Becoming a qualified affiliate now makes you eligible for bonuses and revenue share. So simply by referring 3, you earn direct sales commissions, refer 3 and its free bonus, you become a qualified affiliate, and you've gotten the 3 bait bonus. And you become eligible for dual team bonuses and matching team bonuses, but that will be discussed in another video. If you're ready to get started with your Affiliate AI Pack, simply scroll down and click Select. It will then give you 4 different subscription options. You can pay monthly in 3-month installments, 6-month installments, or 12-month installments. The first option, you'll start for $99 with a $59 monthly thereafter. Option 2, you'll prepay for 3 months up front, and afterwards, you'll pay $177 every 3 months thereafter. Our third option is our 6-month plan, where you'll pay $335 to start, then $295 per 6 months thereafter. That includes a discount of 1 month free for each 6 months you purchase. And the fourth option is the 12-month plan, which has a $630 startup for the first 12 months and will be $590 per 12 months thereafter. This includes our steepest discount of 2 months free with each 12-month purchase. Now, if you choose to prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months, the bonus system will also adjust. In this scenario, this person purchased the Affiliate AI Pack and prepaid for 12 months of the monthly subscription. If this person then sells the same pack, they will earn a lifetime 10% direct affiliate sales commission on that purchase and every future purchase. If they refer 2 more, they will also earn the 10% lifetime affiliate sales commissions on all of their purchases. They will also get their subscription fee waived, meaning they will no longer have to pay their 12-month annual renewal for as long as these 3 people maintain their paid memberships. They will also get a $630 bonus under the 3 bait bonus promotion. As long as an affiliate sells the same pack or higher, they are entitled to the 3 bait bonus of the purchase price that they paid for their initial startup pack. This will also then make them a qualified affiliate. So simply by referring 3, they're earning 3 lifetime direct affiliate sales commissions. They're getting their 12-month subscription fee waived. They're becoming a qualified affiliate, and they're getting their entire $630 membership back through the 3 bait bonus. It's also qualifying them for the dual team bonuses and the matching team bonuses. In this checkout scenario, I'm going to select the 6-month option. It will then offer me 2 different add-ons. 1, a 2-day AI Affiliate Bootcamp, and 2, the TGD AI Genius Club Creator Lab. The 2-day bootcamp is a one-time fee, but the Creator Lab is another subscription, and you will purchase this additional subscription for the same time period that you chose on the previous screen. If you don't want to make any additional purchases, simply click Skip or Checkout. You will then see the following 3 items in your cart: the Affiliate AI Pack for $40, 6 months of the AI Genius Club as previously selected, and your annual affiliate fee fee, which is free and included in this pack purchase. If you're ready to check out, scroll down and click the blue button, Check Out. On this screen, you will see your initial purchase with your subscription cost, which will appear on the right-hand side. Now it's time to do your affiliate sign up. Type in your first name, your last name, how you'd like to be presented in the system. If you have a company name, an LLC, or a DBA. If you don't, you can just retype your name here. Then put in your social security number, tax ID, or government ID for tax purposes. Type in your email address twice. Select your phone and country code, then enter in your phone number. Type in your address, city, state, and zip code, then create your personal web address. This is how you as an affiliate will refer people to the platform. It can be your first name, your last name, or your business name. As long as it's 100% unique to you and not taken already, you can claim that here. Then type in your password twice to verify it, click on these 3 boxes, and click Next to continue in the checkout process. That is how to sign up for the Affiliate AI Pack. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the Great Discovery.